So today, Jaleesa, aka Finesse Goddess, one of my best friends, bought a picture of Miracle Watts for our inspiration for today. And I want to do it. So let's try it. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. This sponsor is not new to my channel at all, so once again, thank you so much, LUVMEHAIR. They sent me this 18-inch lace front unit. Now today we're gonna be doing something interesting, right? Now, y'all know I be trying to switch it up. I don't be wanting to do the regular side part, middle part, half up, half down. Like, I gotta break it up a little bit, break up the monotony, add some spontaneity a little bit. So my friend bought a really cute inspiration picture for today, and I was sold. Like, I didn't even think twice. So I'm using the picture of Miracle Watts as an inspiration for our hairstyle for today, but I'm not doing a quote unquote recreation because I want to switch up some things about the style and change up the accessories a little bit. But yeah, I still had to show it because Miracle's version was awesome. All right, so let's talk about this unit, okay? So normally, before I even start recording, I pluck and bleach my wigs off camera just to save recording time, editing time, energy and stuff like that. But what I will say is this wig from Love Me was already pre-customized, okay? And it looked really good. Like, it looked really good. So I didn't really have to go crazy with the plucking. I just did a little, put my little touches on it. But for everyone that really doesn't feel like customizing your own wigs or taking it to a stylist just to get it to look natural, I definitely recommend this company for you. All right, so a little bit more details about the wig, okay? Number one is the knots were very small. So once I bleached them, honey, they're invisible. Okay, the knots were not big black ant looking dots, wigs that be giving them vibes. Also with the color of the lace, I love this brown thin lace because I like getting brown laces in general because they can fit a wide range of complexions. When I get like a white or beige lace, it's just like, okay, I'm going to have to tint this, and even when I tint the lace with makeup or something, it doesn't always look natural. So kudos to y'all, Love Me. Kudos. All right, let's be real. Okay, let's be real. Let's be 100 right now. Okay, we can really style this wig with no baby hairs, like none whatsoever. But I know she's gonna want baby hairs. That's the only reason why I'm gonna do baby hairs. But I mean, that still doesn't negate the fact that I'm still enamored by this hairline because it is just beautiful and flawless and All right, cool. So the style is almost done. I'm finishing the whole right side first, and then I'm gonna finish the left side, the other braid, the baby hair, blah, blah, blah. So right now I'm doing the baby hairs, and I'm using Got To Be glue for this style. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all how I make my decision on if I'm gonna use tropical root setting foam or Got To Be glue. I don't know. It's literally just how I'm feeling and what type of texture of hair it is, the person. I really can't explain it. But both work equally as great. The only difference is the Got To Be glue, the baby hairs are gonna be stuck on there. Okay, they ain't going nowhere. Now with the tropical root setting foam, it's still gonna be stuck on there, but you're gonna be able to comb it out and make it look a little bit more wispy, but it still keeps its shape. So they're both really good. Okay, so now time for the style and how I'm going to adjust it a little bit. So Miracles probably had like, I don't know, maybe 6-7 braids or something like that, but I'm only going to do 3 at the top because the size of the wig doesn't go back that far, and I don't want the braids to be like, 2 inches long on the sides. So I just thought, maybe they'll just look better on top. And instead of letting the hair hang, we're gonna do Bantu knots and add some bobos. So yeah. And for the record, I've never used bobos on people's head, like on my channel, ever. Like, I don't even think I used bobos when I was doing hair. That's crazy. So this is gonna be a first for me. Now, I used to wear these, of course, when I was younger, but I just never, no one ever asked for them. So this one's gonna be something different. Now, I do have a real life question for y'all, okay? People in the comments, do you think that these hair accessories, the bobos, whatever you call them, I don't know, the balls, I don't know what y'all call them. Do you think that they can still look pretty, feminine, and mature on grown women? Or do you think they should be left with the little kitties? Let me know in the comments. So at this point, I took my hot comb and I was going to straighten the top out and then take my flat iron and press the whole wig out. But then we saw the body wave and we was like, hold on, this cute. So this is the final look, guys, and it came out so cute. So let me know in the comments if you would prefer to have this version or the quote-unquote original version on Miracle. So once again, thank you so much, Love Me, for sponsoring this video with this 18-inch 13x4 lace front wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.